Hello everyone, welcome to FixSoft. In this video, you'll learn how to install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Before that, we'll install Java, which is required to run IntelliJ IDEA. At the end, we'll create and run our first Java program to make sure everything is working properly. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer. Go to the search bar and type Oracle Java, then press Enter. Go to the search bar and type Oracle Java for Windows 10, then press Enter. From the search results, open the official Oracle Java website. This is the official source for Java downloads. Scroll down a little and you'll see different Java versions listed. Make sure Java 25 or the latest long-term support version is selected. Under that, make sure to select Windows. Then choose the link for 64-bit installer. The setup file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, right-click on the installer file and select Open. The setup window will appear. On first screen, click Next. You'll see the installation location. Leave it as it is, and click Next again. Wait for Java to finish installing. When it says Java is installed successfully, then close this Windows. Now, we need to set the Java path so Windows can recognize Java. Open File Explorer. Go to C drive. Then open Program Files. Then Java. Then the JDK folder. Open the bin folder. Click on the address bar and copy the full folder path. Next, open the Start menu and search for environment variables. Click Edit the System Environment Variables. In the new window, click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path and double-click it. Click New. Paste the copied Java bin path, then click OK. Click OK again on all open windows to save the changes. Now we will verify Java installation. Open the Start menu, type cmd, and open Command Prompt. Type the following command: Java ---- version and press Enter. If you see the Java version displayed, Java is installed successfully. If Java installed successfully on your system, drop a comment below and let us know. Now, let's install IntelliJ IDEA. Open your web browser again and search for IntelliJ IDEA. Open the official JetBrains website. Click on the Download button. Then click Download again. the installer file will start downloading. It's a large file, so wait until it finishes. After the download completes, right-click on the installer and click Open. The setup window will appear. Click Next. Keep the installation location as it is. Make sure you have enough free disk space, then click Next. Select Create Desktop Shortcut, then click Next. Click Install and wait for the setup to complete. Once installation is finished, click Finish. Now, open IntelliJ IDEA. Accept the terms and click Continue. Skip the import settings. Go to the Customize section if you want to change the theme or keep the default settings. Then go back to Projects section. Click New Project. Enter a project name and choose a location to save it. IntelliJ IDEA will automatically detect the installed Java version. Keep it selected and click Create. In the project panel, right-click on the SRC folder. Click New, then Java class. Enter a class name, for example, Demo, and press Enter. A file named demo.java will be created. Inside the file, write or paste a simple print statement to display text on the screen. To run the program, right-click anywhere in the file and click Run Demo. You'll see the output displayed in the console at the bottom. That's it. You've successfully installed Java, installed IntelliJ IDEA, and run your first Java program on Windows 10. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe to FixSoft for more beginner-friendly tutorials.